write down 3 ways where you recognize that you show self-love, that there are ways that you know that you love yourself, and 3 ways that show lack of self-love that you probably do, which maybe now when you will introspect our lack of self-love. So let's just all contemplate, because we are midway. None of us really fully loves ourselves. Yeah, so there are things that we love ourselves, there are aspects of ourselves that we love, we accept, but there are so many ways in which we are actually very critical of ourselves, harsh with ourselves, we don't love ourselves. And of course, we can love others only when we love ourselves in the truest way. What we don't have, if you want to even give money to somebody, your loved one, but if you don't have it, you can't give it. In the same way, if you actually don't have love within for yourself, it has to be first, then you can make an effort to be there, but it won't flow very easily and naturally. So we're not saying that you don't love anybody, of course, but you're kind of committing and it will be flowing, but it can be so much more easier when you bring more love to yourself.